Hi, I'm John Derry, sandedge.com. You're joining me now as I'm partway through assembling a fruit cage from Hacksnicks. It's a long bamboo fruit cage. It's easy to put together. It's got push-fit plastic components, but as with all things, you read the instructions, there's always one or two things that you can do that make it easier. You need a sharp knife to trim off the end of the bamboo. Sometimes it doesn't fit just as easily as it should. And I've also got some extra long canes to help me support it while I'm assembling it. As the thing gets higher, it becomes more unstable. It doesn't come in the assembly instructions, but it's a tip from me. Now we'll do this in kind of time lapse and you can see how it goes together. I've put in a couple of canes. I'm going to attach my first T-piece over that end, as you'll see. It's the second T-piece, but this is the point where you need the extra support. We now move around here. No support, it's going to want to flap about. Just having these long canes here, we haven't got one at this station, you don't need them everywhere. That's just enough to stop it collapsing. And as we go up, it becomes even more important. Really proud of that little tip because it took me 5 minutes to put this together completely unaided. You can do it too. Otherwise, first time I tried this, it took me ages with an extra pair of hands helping me. Everything weighed about components falling apart. So that's the way to go. Next thing I'll put the net on top and we'll just be securing it with the clips. So we've got the netting on, a couple last plastic clips to fit in place, and then we'll hold the whole thing solid to the ground with these ground pegs, and we'll have a fruit cage that will keep the birds out off your soft fruit. So there you have it. Doesn't just keep birds out, can keep birds in. It won't keep Mr. Fox away from the chickens, but it'll keep the chickens away from my garden.